Well, I started my career as a deputy district attorney in San Bernardino County, and then I came back to Los Angeles, where I had gone to school at Loyola Law School, and I worked for a number of firms in the personal injury field, and eventually I went out on my own. I felt a mission that I could repair broken lives. I've always loved politics and grew up in the 60s where there was a lot of social progressive politics. But as it happened, once I got into the legal profession, instead of trying to change and improve society as a whole, I would serve individuals. And overall, it improved their life, one person at a time. It was a real privilege to be asked back to Loyola Law School. I was already a practicing attorney for 25 years, and I was requested by the dean to take over the position of adjunct professor in civil discovery, which I did for a semester, and it was very rewarding and exciting. One case, very unfortunate case, it was a personal injury case in a motor vehicle accident. I handle everything from whiplash to catastrophic injuries. They were stopped at a stop sign and they were rear-ended. The rear-ending driver was a drunk driver, but within 3 months or so, she healed up and was able to return to work. And again, it was my responsibility as a PI lawyer to fight for justice and obtain monetary compensation for her pain and suffering and reimbursement of medical expenses. She was very satisfied with the settlement. The backstory was that it was the 50th anniversary of the novel and movie To Kill a Mockingbird, but it had to do with the time when lawyers, this was a noble profession, and I want to bring us back to that time when lawyers had a tremendous respect and dignity from the community and fought for social justice. And really our true calling as lawyers is to help individuals fight for justice. And the article was about raising the reputation and the status that lawyers had back in the 60s back to now. And I think that's the challenge of all of our lawyers. And that's something that's encouraged in the Beverly Hills Bar Association, because we have specialists in every field who are working at the top quality of their profession and want to help people in the outside community, whether it's Beverly Hills or Santa Monica or anywhere within the greater LA city. The highlight of my membership in the Beverly Hills Bar Association is the lawyer referral and information services, where I'm on a panel with lawyers from every specialty. I'm in the personal injury section. The Beverly Hills Bar Association does a great service to the community by offering the lawyer referral service. You take it case by case, but you can make a big difference in people's lives.